Good morning, this is Mike again, and in this tutorial I'm going to be looking at Canvas grading scales and then weighted categories. So what you want to do is navigate to Canvas, and the first thing we'll do is we will look at the grade weighting, basically grading scales and some of the options that are available there. So all you got to do is just pick a course, okay, and then go to Settings. And in this first settings screen, you're going to scroll down and then go to Grading Scheme and then View Grading Scheme. Okay. And so the default scheme is this one right here, is the secondary scaled grading. So that's the default that they set it at. A lot of people don't like that one. It's totally up to you. As the teacher, you have unilateral control over your scale. So what you can do is if you don't like it, you can choose another existing scheme or make your own. So we're going to go ahead and select another scheme. Okay. And then you'll notice on the left-hand side, there's a small list of other options. So, so you got the secondary pass-fail, secondary percentage grading. That's what the one a lot of people like. So if you look at it, it's just your typical, 60 to 100 scale. You can actually manipulate this one if you'd like. So all you have to do is choose use this grading standard, right? And now that's our scale. Now, if you want to do one yourself, is you go to Manage Grading Schemes, okay, right here, and you choose Grading Schemes, and then it'll have this other look at the list. But then what you can do is you can go Add Grading Scheme, or you can modify one that's already there. I believe, actually, no, they've locked the ones that are already there. So, but you can mimic one by going to Adding Grading Scheme, and then all you have to do is just enter in your own values here. So what I like to do is I like to just go, I just basically like use this one. But what I do is I assign F 50% basically. So there's not a big chasm between 0 and 50. Sometimes I also like using just like a 5-point scale. And what you can do is you can knock off a bunch of these by pushing the X, and it'll get rid of that layer. So if I just had a grading scale of like 0 to 4, then what I could do is eliminate all these, and then I could just put in, just a simple scale like that, like a point scale. So that's how you manage your grading schemes. And then what you'll do is you'll save it, and then that will appear in this list. And then all you have to do is pick it. Now, that's different than than your grading, like weighted categories. And so what you're going to do for weighted categories is you basically come to your assignment screen and then pick plus group. Okay, and then you pick an assignment group. Let's say I want tests as a separate group, and then I go save. And then what I can do is once I have a group, I can go assignment group weights, right? And then weight final grade based on assignment groups. And then you can see tests showed up here in assignments, and then I can pick how much percentage goes to each one. Okay, so that's pretty easy. All you have to do is click plus group, and then come over here to the 3 dots, assignment group weights, and then you can weight it out by clicking this, and then putting in the percentages of each category you would like to allot, and then you just click save. Okay, so that's how you do your grading schemes and then your assignment group weights. If you have questions, go ahead and email me.